Hi, my name is Matt Zeffi. I'm a filmmaker on B&H's social media video crew, and we're out in the Ecuadorian Amazon rainforest shooting with Kobe Brown for an upcoming video series for B&H. So we thought, why not share 5 tips for shooting in a remote location? Tip number 1, only bring the essential gear. There, of course, is weight limits when flying to remote locations, and also you don't want to be carrying a ton of weight on your back when you're going in the rainforest or you're climbing up a mountain. So definitely bring only the essentials. Consider what you're going to be filming or shooting, telephoto lenses if shooting wildlife, wide angle if you're shooting landscapes, and everything in between. Just try and cover ranges. Zoom lenses may be your best friend for things of that nature. Number 2, consider your storage. We're out here in the Amazon rainforest, like I said before, and there's no B&H Superstore down the street that we could just walk to. So you want to make sure that wherever you're going, you have more than enough storage that includes memory cards and external drives so that you don't run out of space throughout your shoot. And that brings us to number 3, batteries. You want to make sure that you have enough juice throughout your entire shoot. So make sure you have extra batteries, maybe an external power source that you can also charge off of. Maybe have a solar panel as well to charge that in remote locations. This one's extremely important because you may not have immediate access to a nearby power source. And number 4, don't forget your accessories. Of course, we think camera lenses first, but you want to think about your accessories so that you can protect all of those things. Whether it be lens covers, whether it be backpack covers, make sure that you're covered from all of the elements when you're out on a shoot. Also, be sure to remember those lens filters so that you can get those incredible shots. Remember the Sensei cleaning kit so that you can clean your lenses and your filters as you go, because we're out in the dirt and grime and things seem to happen. And also remember a Velo multi-tool so that you can tighten those tripod legs and also tighten the tripod plate as well. And number 5, backpacks. You want to make sure that you have a good backpack to house all of your gear, making sure that it's protected from all of the elements, and also make sure that it's a comfortable trip for you. For this trip, I brought along a Shimoda Action Design backpack because it is a perfect solution for those run and gun shoots, and it houses so much gear. So when you're headed out to a remote location, definitely consider getting a nice and rugged backpack. As a bonus tip, wherever you're headed, whether it be the Amazon rainforest or the Swiss Alps, make sure that you're covered when it comes to clothing. Prepare all of your clothing ahead of time, do your research, figure out if the sun's gonna be extra strong. We're in Ecuador and we're just close to the equator, so we wanna make sure that we're carrying sunscreen and bug repellent to make sure that this trip is as comfortable as possible and we get those clean shots. So I hope these tips help to prepare you to get out there and shoot in some awesome remote locations. If you do get out there, make sure to tag us in anything you decide to shoot and drop any questions you might have in the comments down below. And lastly, be sure to check out our series with Kobe Brown. We're talking about landscape photography and wildlife photography. It's going to be epic. We'll see you next time.